Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you these. If you like to organize your craft room or anywhere actually, I thought I would show you these. So they are made by Yillis and they are magnetic. So I'm going to try and do this open-handed. I haven't done that in a number of years, but so what you're going to get is you get 4 of these little guys, and they're less than $10, but they're magnetic, and they've got stick on there, and they've got stick on here. So, oh, there you go. I could spend all day doing that. So anyways, I have this remote, right, that turns on and off my lighting. So I normally just sit it right here, and often I lose it. It falls back there with all the Wi-Fi cables, and I'm like, what in the heck? So when I had the opportunity to show this to you guys, I said definitely, because there's so much you can do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, and they're just like Stampin' Dimensionals. You just take this little guy off here. Maybe they're not like Stampin' Dimensionals. Having a difficult time getting it off. Okay, hold on. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it in the middle of your remote. And it says up. So I'm gonna put that right here in the middle of my remote. And then, watch this. Oh, there you go. And it's got a base here, so it's not going to fall. And you'll see it's just in there nice. And when you pull it out, you just pull it. So now we're going to take this off. Now, you can put this wherever you want, but if you did like a remote control for a TV, you know how sometimes you get additional remotes? You can just put it on the back of your TV. You could also, looks like you could probably put it on like a refrigerator or something. But now we're gonna take that and I'm gonna put it right here where I have all my other magnetic stuff. And I'm gonna put it right here. And now I always know where my remote is. And I can just put it back. And you just pull it off just like that. So it's not going anywhere. I can open and close the door. That's where I keep all my papers. And it's not going anywhere. So anyways, I thought I would tell you, and I will put a link down below. I'll give you this information as well. Again, it's Yillis, and they're magnetic remote control holders. And there's the instructions. So, all right, beauties, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.